everyone, welcome back to a Vlogmas. Chris just got home from church and he picked up groceries, so we got that put away. I am now going to brush my teeth. I already threw some makeup on this morning. I'm gonna brush my teeth. We are running to Home Depot. Chris needs to get a snowblower because we're supposed to get like a lot of snow. So we're gonna go pick that up and then come home, and I want to get some more kind of cleaning done, I guess. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Okay, we are off to Home Depot. Don't mind the outside of my house. It's looking very messy right now. And I'm not gonna show you the other side because it's really bad. It's actually not that cold out today. It's kind of nice and warm. I think I'm gonna let the cats out and let them play when we get back. Day like 5 of my diet, water diet. This morning it was brutal, but now it's not that bad. We have birds. I need to put some more food in their food house, whatever you call it, bird house? Bird house, there we go. Chris is not coming. Where is he? He's probably looking for me in the house, so I better go get him so we can leave and get on our way. Still waiting for Chris. I'm watching the football game right now because Chris isn't ready. Yes, I do. I think he's ready. My house is destroyed again, just so you guys know. You saw it before I went to bed. I woke up this morning. The house was a little unclean, but it's destroyed. Laundry that needs to be put away. Dishes that need to be done. I did not put away that mop. And we're just waiting on Mr. Tucker. Where's Nico? What are you waiting on? I hate to wait for people. I feel like this Vlogmas, it has been you and I in this vehicle.
Yeah.
So have you ever seen a license to drive?
No.
So the guy goes to get his license and the instructor goes, he has a cup of coffee. He said, if this coffee spills, you fail. And the guy is like, okay. So at the very end of the driving test, someone comes out in front of him. The kid has to do a hard break. The cup spills, but there was no coffee in it. So he's like, that means you pass. So that is for you. If that camera falls over, that means you fail.
But there's no camera.
What is it then?
I don't know. You said there's a coffee cup with no coffee, so the camera shouldn't have anything in it.
So I think my problem is with my water diet. I'm not drinking enough water.
No shit.
I need to drink 7 of these.
I'm gonna be totally honest with you. I'm fucking starving. I haven't eaten all day. And I know that if I stop and get something to eat, I'll never live that down.
No, honestly, if you want, go. Babe! Oh my god!
Save the squirrels!
He saved a freaking squirrel and broke my camera. What a nice one.
No, hey! We all saved that squirrel today. Do your part, people. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, it was hot.
And now we're getting pulled over because we're vlogging and driving. I'd like to see that law.
No, if you want to eat, go eat. Like, don't go into a restaurant to eat and leave me in the car.
What's he doing?
But
he's eating.
He's eating
Not
right now.
Big deal.
But you can definitely go through a drive-thru. It's not like going to piss me off.
Until later, when I overstep my place in line and she reminds me how earlier that day I was forking food into my gullet within nose shot of her face.
So I am looking forward to the Good Life food.
So I'll tell you guys this. You don't know this because you're not me. Little wifey over here. Oh boy. She is putting skinny, thick girls to shame because she used her willpower. Okay? So if you think that you would like to make a change, maybe, what do they call those, a New Year's resolution, I would highly suggest doing whatever the hell she told you she did, because it is working 100%. Totally different look. Her clothes are fitting better. She feels better about that, right?
I do.
She's walking around with her shirt off. Just kidding.
I was gonna say no, I wasn't.
She was walking around with her shirt up a little, showing her tummy. And you can definitely, just even after 3 days, you could see a 100% difference. And I think it was mostly just bloating, you know.
I do think that was what was going on with my body.
Yeah, it was that empty side. Now, I did a water fast. I was only able to make it 3.5 days because I am a wuss. But I felt difference too. It was really good. So if you guys want to make a change, or I call it reset.
Me too.
You know, you're resetting your body, and it's a great mental exercise as well. So do it, because it's worth it. The benefits far outweigh the consequences, and the pros far outweigh the cons. Don't I look like a freaking, like they should, oh, that sign's seen better days. I think it was really slick last night. There's a lot of signs now. Anyways, I look like somebody who should be in a Walmart picture frame. Or.
So did you hear about that, the Walmart pictures? All the missing kids?
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
Walmart has a bunch of missing pictures up on their wall.
Yeah.
Well, they used to. They don't know more, but they used to. I seen them, so I know that they did exist. I just don't know if they exist anymore. But this one girl was kidnapped, and she was sold for like sex slavery.
Sex trafficking.
There you go. And she was sold to like very wealthy people, and she is saying that Walmart is involved in it.
Oh boy.
She's like, you know, the pictures that, but did I tell you she escaped? She escaped, and then she said that she was going up for auction, and she was gonna get auctioned off to a wealthy guy, and she said that.
Hang on.
She said that the pictures at Walmart are actually not missing kids, that they are kids that are going up for auction to be sold.
Sounds a little far-fetched.
But hear me out. After that story came out, Walmart took down all the missing pictures.
I would too. You don't want that kind of publicity. That just sounds really far-fetched. I don't think Sam Walton would approve.
I'm just saying that there's probably a lot of shady stuff going on in this world that we have no clue about. So we got home from picking up the snowblower, and now I have to make supper. I'm not sure how much more I'm going to be able to vlog today because it's already 5:15 and I want to be done by 6, so then I have from 6 to 7 to get it uploaded. So yes, but I want to do another giveaway because I'm behind, so we're gonna do the third, I believe it's the third giveaway For this giveaway, I'm going to be giving away $100 cash. So all you have to do is be subscribed, like this video, and leave a comment. All of the rules will be in the description bar down below so you guys can see. So yeah, that is today's giveaway. I'm gonna go make supper. The kids need to eat. I'm making taco in a bag. You guys, I don't like taco in a bag, but since I'm on this water diet, I think I'm going to crave taco in a bag. That's how it's going to be, right? Ugh. It was hard today. The water diet was a challenge. On the way to town, I was fine, and then walking around the store, getting the snowblower, and then coming home. That drive on the way home, I thought I was going to die. I really did think I was going to die, but we're still here. So we're gonna go make some supper and see if I can film anything more tonight. We'll see. So we're going to end the vlog here. Supper is done. I made taco in a bag, but Chris took over making the tacos because I was cleaning. So I got the kitchen cleaned and I got the kitchen table cleaned off. Yes, I am so happy. That was, I mean, most people's kitchen tables are always cleaned off, but not mine. Mine is a collect-all. That is where everything goes. When somebody asks where should I put this, I always say the table. So he made supper. I was able to get the house cleaned up. I only did one load of laundry. That was it, but I will be getting more done tonight. We are going to do my before pictures for my weight loss journey, and I'm also going to do like a facial and self-tan because I like to do that on Sundays. So we're gonna do that. I won't be able to, I wanted to do it all in this vlog, but there just wasn't enough time. But I will get this up very early, so, because I'm doing it on my computer and not my phone, so that goes faster. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure that you enter into today's giveaway, and this giveaway will end on Wednesday. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Bye!